Planning the ultimate tailgate? Let's fire up your crowd with 5 killer grilling recipes that are easy to prep, pack, and cook right on site. Brought to you by BBQDaddyCharcoal.com. Better fuel for tailgating. First up, Pimento Cheeseburgers. Start with 80-20 ground beef, form into patties, and season with salt and pepper. The magic? Pimento cheese. Mix shredded cheddar, mayo, diced pimentos, and a dash of cayenne. Grill those burgers over charcoal, toast some brioche buns, and top with that spicy, creamy cheese. Southern flavor with serious game day energy. Next, we have bacon-wrapped hot dogs with BLT toppings. Wrap each hot dog with 2 strips of bacon. Yes, 2. Secure with toothpicks and grill until crispy. Toss them in buns, add fresh lettuce, juicy tomato, and a swipe of mayo. It's a smoky upgrade on the classic and totally handheld. Third, let's talk Cajun Chicken Wings. Toss wings in olive oil and Cajun seasoning, then let them marinate overnight in a cooler. Add hickory chips to your charcoal grill for that extra punch of smoke. We recommend the Hickory Pitmaster blend from BBDaddyCharcoal.com. Grill until crispy, then toss in a buttery hot sauce blend. Bold heat, no mess, and a crowd favorite. Now for some balance. Grilled veggie skewers. Grab zucchini, bell pepper, onion, and mushrooms. Skewer them up, brush with olive oil, garlic powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. Grill until charred and tender. They're light, fast, and perfect on their own, or stuffed in pita with hummus. And the closer? Texas Twinkies. Have and core large jalapenos. Stuff them with brisket, cream cheese, and cheddar. Wrap in bacon and grill low and slow until everything's golden and melty. It's smoky, spicy, creamy, the holy trinity of tailgate food. So prep ahead, pack it cold, grill it hot, and show up ready to serve. With recipes like these, your tailgate won't just be good, it'll be legendary.